Come see how we roll at the hole. That's what we say.
And it doesn't matter if you roll on 2 wheels or more, you're sure to find a good time. Welcome to the Watering Hole in the Market Square North Plaza off Williamson Road in Roanoke.
This is everybody's home.
You might remember this place as Schooners, but in 2022, Jamie Hancock and her husband Todd took over and served up a total rebrand.
We've spent the past 4 years digging ourselves out of the reputation of Schooners. That's why we changed the name. And I didn't do a very good job of trying to be positive until about a year ago.
Something happened that changed Jamie's life.
I think I might be one of the few bartenders that try to turn people sober. It's okay to have a mocktail. It's okay to not be just like everybody else. Be you. I spent my whole life trying to be somebody I'm not. And now that I found Christ, I'm being me. And this place is helping me be me.
By becoming a place that gives back, raising over $200,000 for various Roanoke Valley charities, no matter where you come from, Jamie says all are welcome.
It doesn't matter who you hang out with or who you like to ride your motorcycle with or what Jeep club you belong to. Everybody here accepts everybody. We all just love each other, and that's what it's about. That's what Southern people do.
There are so many of us who visit here quite often. It's a family. They really do treat us like family.
You always see somebody you know, and sometimes you see a lot of people that you haven't seen in a long time.
I hang out with everybody. It's a really, really cool place, and right after we got married in December, we came here. This is our first dance.
And many of the staff here were actually once regulars.
I actually came in as a customer. Whenever she was like, I need some help, I jumped right in and helped her.
I used to come and actually enjoy the nachos and the wings.
I have the best cook around here. His name is Joe, and I have an amazing team back there in that kitchen.
Making some downright delicious dishes.
We are well known for our wings. We use jumbo fresh wings. On Sundays and Wednesdays, we do dollar wings all day, eat and only. Philly cheesesteaks, quesadillas, fried mushrooms. I go twice a week and pick up fresh mushrooms.
Mushrooms get a bad rap. These are fantastic. It's healthy.
Then you've got this bad boy. I've featured nearly 200 restaurants, and this is a first-time dish. The Full Throttle, a ground chuck hand patty cheeseburger with bacon, served with cheese slaw.
I don't know if you've ever had cheese slaw. It's definitely a Roanoke thing. Havarti cheese, Swiss cheese, jalapenos, green onions, and we're gonna take that cheese slaw and put it in a hot dish and make one of our famous burgers and dip it down in there.
When the face is down, it looks like you have handlebars because of the bacon.
That's the kind of stuff we do.
Look at that cheese pull. You better come full throttle to get the full throttle right here at the Watering Hole. Water hose, please. Water hose.
Come on in and eat. That's all I'd say. Good food.
Jamie has turned this place not only into her safe haven, but a place of history.
Cracker Barrel's my favorite restaurant, so why not do a Roanoke version of Cracker Barrel? So you will find in here, everything was in the Roanoke Valley, bought it hot.
With a personal touch.
Those bells right there used to be on my grandma's door, and that was her alarm system back when Granddaddy Hancock was out trucking.
We are a family. As soon as you walk in the store, I don't care where you're from, you are family.
Every customer that comes into the store, we know their name. Miss Mel, she can catch them coming through the parking lot and has their food or their drink ready before they sit down. Yeah, it's family here.
The Watering Hole, a hometown eat no matter how you roll, you'll feel right at home.